Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we'll explore the vital role fences play in pest control and how you can choose the best one to protect your space. Whether it's pesky rabbits, curious raccoons, or even larger animals like deer, fences are designed not just to mark boundaries but to keep unwanted visitors out. Let's take a closer look at how fences can help you manage pests. First, let's break it down by pest type. Smaller animals like rabbits and squirrels are common in gardens, but they can cause significant damage to your crops or plants. A strong, well-designed fence with narrow mesh can stop these critters in their tracks. For smaller pests, you'll want to go with mesh fencing or even chicken wire. The holes should be small enough to block them from squeezing through, and the fence should be at least 2 feet tall to prevent them from jumping over. Now, for larger animals like deer, you'll need a much taller solution. Deer fences should be at least 8 feet tall, and some come with slanted tops to prevent them from leaping over. This type of fencing may seem like a big investment, but it can save your garden or crops from being wiped out overnight by a hungry deer. Fences can even help with smaller pests like birds and insects. By adding protective netting or electric fencing, you can create a barrier that keeps birds away from fruit trees or stop insects from crawling in. Not all fences are created equal, though. It's important to choose the right material based on the pests you're dealing with. Metal and vinyl are great options for durability and weather resistance, while wood can offer a natural look but may need extra treatment to keep pests like termites at bay. And don't forget, you can combine your fence with other pest control measures, like trapping or using repellents, to boost its effectiveness. In the end, investing in the right fence isn't just about defining your property, it's about protecting it. Whether you're keeping out rabbits or repelling deer, a well-built fence is your best defense against unwanted pests. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.